Comparing game-changing AI video generators, there are two standouts. Today, we're looking at HeyGen versus Synthesia, comparing their features, ease of use, and pricing, all to find out which one is the better choice. HeyGen and Synthesia essentially do the same thing. They help you create video content with lower effort and cost. Both of these platforms are browser-based and require no additional software. However, they're very different, mostly in terms of who they're targeting for their products. Let's look at HeyGen first. This AI video generator allows you to choose from around 300 video templates, all with flexible aspect ratios, so you can quickly adapt content for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Then there are tons of voices to choose from in more than 175 languages. And you're not just stuck with the basics. There are advanced tone and accent modulation tools to tweak the narration so it sounds as natural as possible. After all, the goal is to avoid the whole uncanny valley AI feel. Or you can fully lean into that and try out the face swap feature, or the one that brings photo avatars to life. The latter still looks incredibly creepy, but I guess you can have fun with it.
In 2008, Iceland's banking system collapsed spectacularly after years of aggressive international expansion.
Anyway, it's also pretty cool that HeyGen AI Avatar Video Generator also supports cloning and adding your own voice, so you can make the content more personal. However, HeyGen AI shines the most when it comes to group projects. It has cloud-based real-time collaboration, so you can simultaneously create and edit content with your colleagues. There's also a dynamic character customization add-on. With it, you can even change the clothing your HeyGen avatar wears. So to me, this makes HeyGen the best AI video generator for branded content. Also, there are API and integration tools to smooth out business workflows, which is why HeyGen seems to cater mostly to businesses. That said, doing solo projects will result in the same quality. By the way, whichever tool you decide to pick today, you can get them and check pricing by scanning these QR codes or through the links in the description. That'll auto-apply the latest deals too, so you'll know you're paying the lowest price possible. But let's keep on keeping on and look at the capabilities of the Synthesia AI avatar video generator. Synthesia AI gives you access to over 230 lifelike avatars, which is less than HeyGen, but each avatar is designed to move and gesture in the most natural way possible. Which is why my main takeaway for Synthesia is that they're hyper-focused on realism. And I do think it works. I mean, we generate AI Joe the newscaster with this tool, and some people still argue he's a real person. In the comment section of every video I make. Thank you for that. I also got to compliment Synthesia on how many languages their platform supports. There are more than 140 languages and dialects paired with around 2,000 voices. Each nails the delivery with subtle voice modulations, and you can achieve both formal and conversational casual styles. However, after using and comparing Synthesia versus HeyGen, I've realized Synthesia's video editing capabilities are a little more basic. That said, your end result might not really need much tweaking, especially if you use the AI-generated backgrounds. Those can save you a lot of time that you'd otherwise spend editing away. Also, Synthesia can produce videos up to 250 minutes long, which is far more than what HeyGen offers with non-enterprise plans. Considering all that, I'd say Synthesia is a better fit for solo creators or small teams, especially if you need quality videos fast with minimal editing. So it should come as no surprise that Synthesia is a bit easier to use. You gotta choose your avatar, then add a background, and input a script. They guide you through the whole process, so you pretty much get a Synthesia tutorial as you go. And yes, picking the right backgrounds, voices, and looks can take some time, but overall you can create videos with just a few clicks.
Let's dive into the mystery of solar eclipses. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon perfectly aligns between Earth and the sun, casting a shadow on Earth.
On the other hand, HeyGen offers more customization, which automatically means that it takes a little longer to master. Of course, you can get quicker results too by just picking ready-to-use avatars and pasting in your text. But to get the best out of HeyGen, its AI video editing tools and features are key. So I recommend taking the time to experiment with various avatars, voices, and settings. And hey, if you ever feel lost, we have a HeyGen AI tutorial on the channel. Anyway, if you want more flexibility and advanced features, choose HeyGen. But if you prioritize speed and simplicity, Synthesia can give you fast and realistic results with minimal effort. Now, we can talk about which is better for what reasons, but for many users, it all comes down to pricing. If we compare the plans, HeyGen is more expensive, especially if you want the team or enterprise plans with more advanced features. That's why, again, to me, this AI video generator looks more aimed at teams and businesses that can afford to spend more money. That said, there is a free plan for trying this AI out, and a pretty good creator plan with unlimited videos up to 5 minutes each. Synthesia's starter plan is more affordable than HeyGen's cheapest plan, and there's also a creator plan that increases how many avatars and minutes you get. And instead of limiting minutes per video, they give you a total number of minutes per year. I also like that this AI generator lets you invite a small team as guests, which is a nice touch if you're working on a group project. And yes, Synthesia also offers a free plan, which is great for trying things out, but not much more than that. You can check the pricing yourself through the links in the description, and they'll save you some money too, since you'll automatically see the latest discounts. But before you go, let's answer the burning question: HeyGen versus Synthesia, which one is better? As you probably realized already, it all depends on your priorities. Synthesia shines for solo creators or small teams with simpler needs, it's cheaper, and it's focused on realistic but easy to make videos. Meanwhile, HeyGen is aimed more at teams and businesses. It's more flexible too, with features like dynamic character customization, face swaps, and API integration. I hope this video helped you make up your mind. Let me know in the comments which AI video generator tool you prefer. And don't forget to like and subscribe so our Cybernews team can try out and review even more tools for you guys. Thanks, and see you next time.